the real you. For he knoweth our frame. Psalm chapter 103 verse 14. It is significant that our first astronauts, while being trained for their moon flights, were required to give 20 answers to the query, "Who are you?" Take the same test yourself. When you have made your list and run out of things to add, ask yourself if you have truly answered. Do you really know who you are? Scientists agree that our desperate search leads all humans to seek heroes and to imitate others, to paste bits and pieces of other people on ourselves. We make love as some actor would. We play golf in the style of Jack Nicklaus. Part of this process is natural, for we learn by imitating others. The tragedy is that the person we assemble is not genuine. Who am I? You cry as you roam the world looking for yourself. Consider this: there are three of you. There is the person you think you are. There is the person others think you are. There is the person God knows you are and can be through Christ. Prayer for the day: Lord, help me to break through the facade and know myself as you do.